Jan again from Jandam District and welcome sa aking YouTube channel. Kung bago ka, don't forget to subscribe para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. And syempre guys, another day, another application na naman tayo kung saan tayo pwedeng kumita online. At ang kinaganda sa application na to guys, GCash application ang gagamitin mo para kumita ka ng pera. So by the way guys, yung kikitain nyo nga pala dito is depende sa sipag nyo, lalong-lalo na sa second step kung paano kayo kikita dito online. Kasi guys, merong dalawang steps dito or two ways for you to earn money using GCash application. At syempre, ano pang inaantay natin? Huwag na patagalin. Discuss ko na sa inyo kung ano yung mga dapat nyong gawin dito para kumita na kayo online using your GCash application. Siyempre, umpisa na natin guys. So first of all, kailangan nyo mag-login sa inyong GCash account. And then, ang kailangan nyong gawing sunod is i-click nyo tong View All. Ang next mo naman gagawin guys is kailangan mo mag-scroll down and click mo tong Earn Money. So by the way guys, meron palang dalawang ways kung paano kayo kikita dito online. So guys, ang una nating step is i-click nyo tong Quick Rewards. Bagong-bagong feature lang to ni GCash. And then after yan guys, i-accept nyo lang yung terms and condition and then click nyo lang yung continue. So by the way guys, i-agree nyo lang yung terms and condition and then after that, wait nyo na lang na mag-loading yung application. Next naman guys, isa-load nyo lang yung sa application para sa mga location ninyo. At meron nga pala yan guys, ayan po yung mga information about dito. So as what you can see guys, may kita nyo dyan kung ano yung mga survey na pwede nyong i-take at kung saan kayo pwedeng kumita online. So by the way guys, dito nga pala is through GCash na directly ang payout. So guys, once na nandito na kayo sa homepage, click nyo lang tong Bibo Tindahan Tales or register. By the way guys, para makapag-start kayo ng mission, click nyo lang yung Bibo Tindahan Tales, select mission and then start mission. And then click nyo yung register. And then after that guys, i-enter nyo lang yung mga required information. After nyo mag-register guys, mariredirect kayo sa page na to. So guys, makikita nyo dito kung magkano yung mga pwede nyo makuha or ano yung pwede nyo makuha once na complete nyo na yung specific task. So guys, by the way, just additional information nga pala, makikita nyo agad kung rejected yung mission nyo or hindi. And then after that guys, it will take 5 to 7 business days para ma-review nila yung mission na ginawa ninyo. And then after that, once approved, then dun na po kayo makakakuha ng rewards. So guys, ang next option naman natin dito kung paano kayo kikita kay GCash is click nyo tong jobs. And then pagka-click nyo ng jobs guys, ayan, makita nyo refer a job and earn GCash. So by the way guys, for example, BPO for call center, click nyo lang yung BPO. And by the way, pwede kayong mag-apply dito guys ha, pero pwede rin kayong mag-refer. So again guys, so magre-refer kayo and then you can get 1,500. Ganyan lang guys kadali. So marami kayong pwedeng makitang hiring dito. So for example, magre-refer kayo, click nyo lang tong refer now. And then wait lang natin. Ayan, may referral fee na 1,500. So it's either you will apply or you will refer. So click natin guys yung refer. And then, agree lang kayo ulit dito. And then, after that, terms and condition, agree ulit. And then, continue lang. And then, wait nyo na lang for mag-load. And then, yan, enter nyo naman yung information ninyo para makomplete lang. So, guys, after nyo mag-register, babalik kayo sa homepage na to. And then, i-click nyo lang yung refer now ulit. And then, wait nyo na lang ulit mag-load yung information. And then, i-update nyo yung additional information sa profile ninyo. Lagay natin dito, BPO. Then next nyo lang guys, BPO industry, specialization, call center, entry level, anong experience level, 2015 pa ako nag-start eh. So yan, ako ay fresh grad na naghahanap ng racket or part-time. Yan guys ang isa-select ko, naghahanap ng internship, racket or part-time job. Yan ang sineselect ko. And then agree lang kayo ulit sa mga terms and condition here, click continue. And then, wait nyo na lang ulit mag-load yung information. At nag-ask ulit siya ng date. Ako ay, sige. Ala, ayan. And then yan guys. Tapos, i-enter nyo lang dito yung full name ng person na nire-refer nyo. And then yung email address. And then, send referral. Ganun lang guys kadali. So, once na send yung referral nyo na at na-hire sila, then makakakuha kayo ng commission. So, ganun lang guys kadali, di ba? Easy money. At mas madali dito guys mag-refer kung call center yung, or BPO yung tatargetin nyo. Tapos magpo-post lang kayo sa mga groups. Ganun lang guys. So, kung ako sa inyo, try nyo na to. And that's it guys for today's video. Sana nakatulong. If you have any comment, suggestion, please comment down below. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button para maging updated ka sa aking mga latest videos. So, see ya!